You can use monomials to form larger expressions called polynomials. A polynomial is a monomial or a sum of monomials. The following polynomial is the sum of the monomials 3x to the fourth power, 5x squared, negative 7x, and 1. Note the degree of our first term, our first monomial, 3x to the fourth, is 4. Our second term, also a monomial, 5x squared, its degree is 2, minus 7x, the degree of that term is 1, plus 1, a constant, with degree of 0. This polynomial is in standard form. Note the decreasing value of the exponents of x. We have x to the fourth, or 3x to the fourth, on the far left, 5x squared, negative 7x to the first power, and then x to the 0 power. Standard form. The degree of a polynomial in one variable is the same as the degree of the monomial with the greatest exponent. For example, the degree of 3x to the fourth plus 5x squared minus 7x plus 1 is 4. After you simplify a polynomial by combining like terms, you can name the polynomial based on its degree or the number of monomials it contains. Every polynomial can be named as an nth degree polynomial, where n is the degree of the polynomial. For a polynomial of degree 0, 1, 2, or 3, you can also use a more descriptive name. Notice the table. So we have a list of polynomials on the left, 6, 5x plus 9, 4x squared plus 7x plus 3, and so on. Their degrees to the right, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then their name based on their degree. So a 0-degree polynomial is called a constant. A first-degree polynomial, like 5x plus 9, is linear. A second-degree polynomial, like 4x squared plus 7x plus 3, is known as a quadratic. 2x cubed has degree 3 and is known as a cubic. And 8x to the fourth power plus 2x cubed plus 3x is a fourth-degree polynomial, and we just call it a fourth-degree polynomial. The right side of the table. For a polynomial of 1, 2, or 3 terms, you can use a more descriptive name than simply polynomial. If there's one term, we call it a monomial. 2 terms, a binomial. 3 terms, like you might expect, a trinomial. And then back to 1, monomial, 3, trinomial. But notice these were used to describe the polynomials at the far left. Problem 3, classifying polynomials. Write each polynomial in standard form. What is the name of the polynomial based on its degree and number of terms? Part A, 3x plus 4x squared. Well, writing it in standard form means placing terms in order, 4x squared plus 3x, and we can state this is a quadratic binomial. Quadratic because it has degree 2, binomial because it's made up of 2 different terms. B, 4x minus 1 plus 5x cubed plus 7x. To rewrite in standard form, place the terms in order. That's going to be 5x cubed plus 4x plus 7x minus 1. But notice we have 2 different terms where x is raised to the power of 1. Those are like terms, and we can combine them. So now we get 5x cubed plus 11x minus 1. We can state this is a cubic trinomial. Cubic because it's degree 3, trinomial because it's made up of 3 different terms. Your turn. Part A. Write 2x minus 3 plus 8x squared in standard form. What is the name of the polynomial based on its degree and number of terms? And part B, a reasoning item. How does writing a polynomial in standard form help you to name the polynomial?